And I'm co-founder and CEO of GeoRacing. So today we will be discussing about Canvas. Canvas is a collaborative tool supported by AI agents to help teams, associates collaborate with each other as well as collaborate with their partners and managing partners to close the contracts and agreements faster. It can be shared internally with your teammates. It can be shared externally with your client or your third party, right? So let's start with that. I will go to canvas and I will create a new canvas here. I will name is this canvas as demo 4. So canvas, you can basically start creating your own agreements and contracts directly here, right? You can write it here. There is a detailed editor provided here, and apart from that, what you can use is you can go to the AI assistant here. You can select a playbook and you can give a prompt probably that please draft a DPA between Pangea Corp and GeoRacing. So that's how you can prompt it, and you can simply send it and it will start the drafting. It takes a few seconds to start with. So here it has given us some changes. We will do apply all, and it is still generating. It will keep generating. So for now, to showing other use cases, I will be uploading a detailed agreement here from my local device. So let's say I will upload this MSA, and yeah, so Canvas is, as I mentioned, a collaborative tool, and you can do a lot of stuff here. For example, I will go to my AI assistant again. What I will do is I will simply select a playbook, and I will now go to review section and ask the agent to review the agreement. So now the review has been started. So yeah, it has added a lot of comments here. So we can apply these comments, and these comments would get visible inside the document. For example, here there is a comment, and yeah. So what will happen here is that the AI generated comments would be shown in purple color, and the other things would be of different color. So now what I can do apart from this here is that I can do a redlining here directly from enabling the redlining, and probably saying cap on liability, each party total agreed liability to other party arising under some condition shall not exceed the total fees, right? So what I will do, 2 times, I will do 2 times of total fees paid or payable by the client to the service provider under the agreement in the 12 months. So this I will change with 6 instead, right? So this will become your 6 months instead, and this I will comment and do 6. And what also I can do is I can tag my teammate that at the rate someone maybe, or Nikhil or Manan, can you please take a look here, right? And I can save this comment. So there is this comment edit here, and I can turn off the redlining. And now what I can do is I can say a version that Nikhil's version 1, and I can submit it. So another version of the changes has been created here, and these versions can be compared directly from the version comparer present here, so that in case if you want to check that what has been changed in a particular document within last few days, you can check from here directly. Now the next thing comes here is sharing. So I can share this canvas with my teammate. So I will share it to my own email and give the editor access. There are role based access, like there can be viewer, reviewer, or editor access, and now I will share it. So once I share it, let me change my profile. Yeah, so I will go to canvas. There is this canvas, and yeah, Nikhil's version 1 is there appeared. This is my profile, Manan's profile. So what I can do is I can click here and I can see all the changes which the other party or Nikhil has commented about, right? So this I can accept, 12 to 6 months, okay, I will accept removal of 12, and I will accept 6 months, and then I will accept this one as well. And comments, I need to address the comments, right? So this is the comment. So it is saying effective date is this, but the data processing agreement is stated to be 15 January 2026. So there is the year issue, right? 15 January 2026 is the DPA. So I think it is not 26, instead it is 25. So what we will do is we will reply here, sure, updated this, right? And I will reply it here, and what I will do is I will make it 2025. Okay, so I have made it 2025, and I will mark it resolved directly from here, right? This comment I can mark resolved, and similarly I can see more comments, like there is some comment here which I can reply on, sure, I'm looking, and yeah, and then maybe I can submit my own version here. I will submit it with Manan's changes, and this will create another version of Manan, that what I have done, and we can probably compare the versions here directly. This gives you a diff of what has been changed, and yeah, I will mark it resolved on, and now Nikhil can see, okay, there is a change in the contract, which I can track now what has happened, right? So that's how Canvas works, and that's how your teams can collaborate, add the comments, resolve the comments, create multiple versions of it, do the redlining using the redlining part like this, and adding some more lines, and using the AI review and drafting agents to use the playbooks to generate the reviews and drafts. And yeah, and then you can share it with your teammates, and you can also change the rules from here, like reviewer, viewer, etc. You can lock and unlock the edit, so that if you don't want to mess up with your work, that can be achieved via this. And yeah, thanks for watching this. Have a good day. Bye.